What would it feel like to wake up in heaven on earth, stepping into all that I am? To hear nature's call, witnessing her beauty through me. As each prayer is sung, I am home within each embrace, held in the beauty of our collective landscape, nourished by all that I see, dancing freely in the arms of divinity. Together, I believe we are home.